Hey, it's Annie. So today I am going to show you how to go from a daytime look to an evening look. So I've already had my daytime look and we're going to switch it up and make it into an evening look. So that is what I'm going to do today. Before we get started, please make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week and I do not want you to miss out. You know, maybe you've been at work all day long, or maybe you're on vacation and you have your makeup on and you don't want to go and redo your makeup, but you want to freshen it up a little bit for evening. That's what we're going to do. So you can see my makeup looks pretty, like I didn't do wing liner. My lipstick is starting to bleed today. I used a different lipstick today. So we're going to show you what I would do. So first, what I would do if I was going to be going out in the evening, the first thing I would do before I kind of touched up my eyes or whatever is I would go in and just kind of get some of the shine off and touch it up. I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless airbrushed, which I love. Then I would go in and add a little bit more powder or a little bit more blush. So I'm going to go in with my Rose, I always forget the name of this one. This is my Rose Ecrin. So I'm going to go in with that. This is my Chanel. And I'm going to put that. You want to go a little bit darker with your color for evening because you're going to be in softer light and it's going to be hard to see. Now I want to touch up my lips a little bit, and I'm going to take my beauty blender and just wipe off the edges a little bit. I'm going to take my lip liner and I'm just going to go right on top and reline my lips here a little bit. Gosh, it's so windy outside today, you guys. And fill it in. I almost felt like I got it out of my teeth. And since it's evening, I'm going to go and use a little bit of a darker color. That's Anastasia Kristen, by the way. I feel like I got to line my lips better though. It doesn't look like. Okay. Now we're going to go in, we're going to go a little bit deeper on our eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette here. And I am going to get my brush and we're going to go in with this color here. It's Nior as black. We're going to mix that with a little bit of Cypress Umber. And we're going to go right here on the corner here too. And now I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to blend it in. I just want to darken the color a little bit. You do the same thing. That's all you need to do. Just get it right there in the corner. I'm going to lift my eye up a little bit there. And blend that out. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush and I'm going to put it into the brown and the black. And I'm going to go right here and smoke that out. Do the same thing here. You always want to connect that corner there too. Now I want to go in and line my eyes, because right now I have no liner above my eyes. So I'm going to go in and add a little bit of liner. This will just give a little bit more of a dramatic look. Then I'm going to take a liner and I'm going to just make sure that this is all touched up good. Get my waterline a little bit better. Now I just want to wipe off my little bit of fallout there, and I'm going to put in a little bit of this shimmer here, just a little bit, and I'm going to tap it. So it's going to brighten it up a little bit more. Now I could have put this on first and then did the liner. I had to change my battery and I just messed this up. Yes, I did, so I will have to fix that line. Sometimes when you go over this, the liner is a little weird on the liquid. I don't know why. Let's see if I can fix it though. Yeah, I was able to fix it. So that just gives it a little bit more of a, you know, I think a prettier look for the evening. And then I just want to blend this in a little bit more. I'm also going to add a little bit of a highlight right underneath here. And that's it. That's all I would do if I was gonna go out for the evening and I just needed to touch my hair up a little, or my makeup up a little bit more. That's all I would do. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. You can follow me on Snapchat. I will leave the link below. I will leave the link below too with everything that I shared in this video. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you real soon. Bye.